an equation of the line through a point 3 and minus 2 with slope is given to us as 3/4. So what would be the first step when we have a problem like this? What's the general equation of the straight line, anyone? Y is equal to what? What's the general equation of the straight line, anyone? Y is equal to...
B.
What should I say again?
Y equal mx plus b.
Very good. Y is equal to mx plus b. So we can start with this. In this case, we know the slope. We know m. So it's y is equal to 3/4 x plus b. How are we going to solve for b, anyone? Solve for b by treating this given point as point P. So this would be x, this would be y, and we simply substitute that into this equation. Everywhere I see y, I would put -2. Everywhere I see x, I'm going to substitute that with 3, and then you just simply solve for b, and you're done. Solve for b. So here you get 9/4 plus b equal to -2/1. So if I subtract 9/4 from both sides of the equation, that would give me b. Of course, the LCD is 4, so I have to multiply this by 4/4. So b would be equal to -8/4 minus 9/4 would be -17/4. So we see how to find a b or y intercept. Once I know b and the slope, I can write down the equation of the line. Y is equal to mx plus b. So slope is 3/4, and the y-intercept is -17/4. This is the equation of the line that we're looking for. Okay, any question on that? Okay, next example, graph. You should be able to graph a straight line. Y is equal to 3/2 x minus 2. To graph a line, what would be the first step? How can we look for x and y intercept? Anyone? Okay, if I let x equal to 0, solve for y, what do we get? If x equal to 0, what is y is equal to, anyone? -2, good. So this is known as your y-intercept. So if anybody asks you to find the y-intercept, that's what you do. You let x equal to 0, solve for y. If y is equal to 0 and solve for x, I give you your x-intercept. Okay? Or you can find any other points. I can let x equal to 2. That's probably would be easier one to also calculate. If x equal to 2, if I substitute 2 here, 2 and 2 cancels, you get 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So here we have 2 points to graph a line. That's all that you need are 2 points. So y and x. If x equal to 0, y is equal to -2, so your line is going to pass us through this point here. If x equal to 2, y is equal to 1, so your graph also going to pass us through this point. If I connect these 2 points together, that would be the graph of my my line. And this would be your x-intercept here. This is your x-intercept. X-intercept, which we didn't even calculate to graph. And this is your y-intercept. Again, if you want to solve for x-intercept, you simply let y equal to 0 in this, and then solve for x. Here we can add 2 to both sides of the equation and multiply both sides of the equation by 2/3. So that would be your x. So that would be 4/3. So this point must be 4/3 and 0. That is your x-intercept. But we didn't really have to calculate that to graph this.